Afternoon, everybody. It's a hot summer day in the warehouse, and we have both the doors open and the fans blowing because it's hot. But leaving the doors open, of course, lets dirt and dust in, and we're having some problems with our printer. So I just got done cleaning it out, and what I want to do is hermetically seal this little area with some of the plastic stripping left over from our old doors that went across the roll-up doors in the warehouse. So yeah, I just got done cutting these pieces, and they will fit up under here like so. And over here. We'll check back in a second when I've progressed a little further. Alright, so I have fixed everything using these pieces of 1x2. It's up under here with the curtain in between. Down here, I've fixed them with Velcro. And if we need access, this comes up like this. Stick it here, and the bottom is open. Down in there, got a fan to keep everything cool. It's gonna be a little warmer in here. This side comes up as well. So we'll keep an eye on this, see if it's helpful. Printer still being a jerk, but I'll deal with that next. Anyway, so here we go, hermetically sealed computer box.